Hey my people, as you go in, it's me Gwandede. I'm back. Before I start talking, let me say thank you to all of you who check me on Facebook, who check me on YouTube, who check me in and out. Thank you very much. So today, as you know, the Gomoon is back and we still have good stuff to communicate to you the people. And especially tonight, I want to talk to the women. All the women out there, this is for you. This is for you. Please listen, pay attention, because this is valuable information. Okay? As you know, October, the month of October is Women Month. Women Month, where they check everything when it's come to this area right here. They check if everything is fine in this area. Okay, so that's why you might see people, walking around with pink stuff, beautiful pink stuff. They have everything pink. It's because of breast cancer. Okay, and our country we call it 30. The Haitian people call it 30. Some people call it Saint. I don't know if it's because there's a lot of Catholic people in my country. They call it Saint. But when it's come to this area, my people, this is no joke. Ladies, all the sexy ladies out there, please check your tete. Check your tete. Woo, ladies, check your tete. Like myself, one day I always check myself. Check my tete when I wake up in the morning. I do what you call 4 quadrant. I check, this side, we call it west. I check this side, we call it east. I check this side, we call it north. And I check this side, we call it south. So you always have, when you wake up in the morning, to check your tete. Check it out. Because breast cancer is no joke. Breast cancer is no joke. Okay? This thing kills a lot of people around the world, especially in this country where we live. So my people, not only my people, all the people out there, if you know a woman, tell that woman to check herself in. Go check and do breast imaging and do CT scan and do ultrasound, whatever you can do in your tete. Like me myself, one day when I check myself in, you know what I told the doctor, to give me a flat screen. I don't do radiography. Radiography is in the past. I do flat screen, the big screen, so they see my tete and everything is fine. They tell me that one day your tete is fine. My age, you see, look at that. I still get it going on. I know some of you, stay home and feeding not only babies. I know some of you not only feeding babies here, feeding adults here too. Okay? No time for, chilling around. Go check yourself. It's never too early to check yourself. And, when you check early, everything is fine. You won't have problem with breast cancer. This is not good. This is no joke. Okay? Women, this is no joke. Go check yourself. This is October is, the month of breast cancer. I don't want another woman to have problem with that thing. Please check yourself in. Like myself, si l'Éternel n'était pas mon soutien, alors qu'il est Satan, mais Satan seul seulement l'interpréter. But grâce soit on dit Ali, l'Éternel back me up. So check yourself. Do whatever it is early in the morning. Always check yourself to see if there's anything inside here who's not supposed to. And if you see something, voltage. Go see the doctor and say, Doc, I don't know what's going on here, but you gotta check me out. Okay? So this is what I have to tell you today. October is the month of breast cancer. Please check yourself in and make sure that everything is fine. Okay? Feel me? Until next time, Gwandede love you. Mwah!